Okay, so to edit the templates that are in the pack, basically you're going to come into you're going to unzip the files and everything, and then you're going to right click one, and then I'm on a Mac, I use Notepad++ as an option to edit the content or edit the HTML of this template. But if you're on a PC, you can just use Notepad. Anyway, so you just right click it, open with, and then hit Notepad. But what you're looking for is all the things that you need to replace in order for the template to function and to look right. So one of the first things is the logo. So I'm going to come over here. I have my website open. Hold on, I'll come back to that in a minute. Okay, so all the media for my website, like any image that I would use, is always in the media section. So I'm just going to click the picture. I'm going to come over here, hit copy, and go over to Notepad. And I'm going to replace that that image source. Okay, then I come down here and I see. Okay, I'm reading. Normally it's all capitalized. So yeah, so here, swap out. This is for the website redesign. Basically, it's where I'm showing that, hey, listen, I did this redesign. So I'm going to come here. I'm going to select this. And then I'm going to come back over to my media website. And then I'm going to come here. This is kind of a picture that shows what I did. So I'm going to hit copy. And then I'm going to come over here and hit paste. And that is that. And then, of course, I have, a link to that case study that I can also add in here. And I will do that so that, somebody can click it and actually go and read a little bit more about it. And then that's basically it. I already have it set up to have all of my social media in there. So if you want to change your social media links, you can do that. That is down at the bottom. You'll see unsubscribe, privacy policy. You just need to change these hashtags to whatever your link is. But anyways, once I'm done, I hit save. And then I come over here and I double click on it to open it in Chrome or Safari so that I can see, okay, did my images go in there, and everything's kind of working well. So anyways, that's that. So now I'm going to do the next one just to show you how quick it can be. So I'm going to come in here, open with, go down to other. I'm going to go down to all applications. And then I'm going to find Notepad Pro. And here we go. And it's the same thing. I'm looking for the logo. That's like number one thing. So over here, I'm going to come back to the logo. Here we go. And of course, you can add to. Another thing you can do is if you want that logo to be clickable, you can add this. Ahref equals, and then you just put the two quote marks and then hit close it. Okay, and then you're going to type in your link. Now, I would recommend using UTM codes for this because that will help you know how effective your marketing was for this particular newsletter. But you just do that. You do target _ blank like that. And then at the end of the image code, see, this is the image source, all of that. I'm going to end that A tag. And how you end it is just /A like that. So anything you start, you have to finish. Okay, that's how that works. All right, so then I'm moving down. And then here's a year-end video, basically where I can have somebody click to see a whole video. I need to give it a poster, if you will, like, click here to see the video or whatever. So I'm just going to go for now. I'm just going to do one of my other images in here that I have. So here's one that I can use, that beauty branding. All right, so I'm going to come over here. Here's that. And then for the URL, I've got to have it go to my YouTube video, which right now I'm in the process of adding some to YouTube, but here we go. Oh, wait, hold on. There we go. So this is the video. So now I'm just going to hit share, copy. You can actually start the video at a specific time frame too. If you're trying to share a video and you know that people are going to skip something or whatever, you can do that. So right here, just do this. And then we are good to go, I believe. I think that's everything. But yeah, you just got to come in here and edit all your links. Look for the things that are in caps, and that will help you. Here's another one. Okay. Here's one. I think this is the one for the case study. So I could do another case study if I wanted to. But for now, for the purposes of this video, I'm just going to save it. And then I'm going to double click on it and see, oh, okay, this is how this looks. So see, I can add 1, 2, 3 projects to this email, and then I send them to my website. So that is how you would do that. I hope you have a great day. If you have any questions, please let me know. I'm always here to help you. Have a great day.